we built Operation Trogdor. So if anyone is familiar with the Internet of Past, when there was like Flash cartoons, Trogdor, the Burninator, is half man, half dragon. And he's super powerful. And what we want to do is we wanted to build a testing platform that has that same kind of power and flexibility and awesomeness, but also in a way continue to evolve our product as a reaction to that QA process. So Trogdor is built on top of ProcessMaker 4, and it uses the same technology that our QA teams are already familiar with, such as GitHub, Selenium for simulating browser tests, but it encapsulates it in ProcessMaker 4 so that everything is automated. So the moment a new tenant is deployed or a new version is upgraded, Trogdor can run and then automatically test everything for us. This is really exciting, and it's built in ProcessMaker 4. This is the ProcessMaker 4 map that drives the Trogdor testing for. And what's great about this is that when we deploy a new tenant, this process automatically gets called by our deployment system, hands-free, no human interaction, and runs a series of tests that are pulled from GitHub. And these tests are built in Python, so they're using script tasks and using a custom Docker image, as I mentioned, to run Selenium tests against that target tenant environment. And then if everything passes, then the system will, then ProcessMaker 4 will call an AWS Lambda function to kind of trigger the rest of the successful deployment. If tests fail, then it will send an email out. This is really, really awesome. We were able to use the tooling of our own product to build a tool that fits in a deployment pipeline for enterprise software to test the validity of deployments. This is a collaborative effort of QA engineers, our DevOps team, our CloudOps teams, our engineering teams to work together to build something that flawlessly can work inside any kind of enterprise technology company that has this type of demand. So we're going to use this Trogdor product to test not only the deployments, but also, which by the way, are running ProcessMaker 3. So Trogdor can test ProcessMaker 3 environments, but also test our own ProcessMaker 4 development, which is awesome. And because of its design, this can test anything. This can test any other web application as well. So it is very feasible for this tool to be used by our professional services team to test custom deliverables for customers. So again, like I mentioned, this is using PM4. You can see a form screen there that collects information about what is the endpoint ProcessMaker 3 environment, what's the login credentials, and then we utilize Git for creating and sharing and storing all the test cases, which are Selenium-based tests, in a Git repository. That way a can contribute to those tests, our team can contribute to those tests, there's version history for tests and such, and then the system will execute it and then create a report of any tests that have failed or succeeded, and if there was a failure, what was the failure. This is fantastic. The team is working right now on deploying Trogdor for, and we're going to actually start seeing this running in the next couple of days, which is really, really exciting.